Good morning. Myself, Dr. Om Prakash, Faculty, B.Ed Department, Donda College, Ranchi, of Ranchi University, Ranchi. Today we are discussing about the history and development of modern education in India. The subtopic is education in ancient India. Ancient India means the Vedic period of India. Vedic period depends upon the Vedic literature such as Shruti and Smriti of Vedas. Vedic literature consists of four Vedas, six Vedangas, four Upavedas, 180 Upanishads, 66 systems of philosophy, Bhagavad Gita, and three Smritis. First of all, the word Veda is derived from Sanskrit word, which means to know, to be, to obtain, to consider, to tell, to dwell. According to H.C. William Jones, from the Vedas we learn the practical art of surgery, medicine, music, archery, and house building. They are the encyclopedia of every aspects of life, culture, religion, science, ethics, law, cosmology, and meteorology. In fact, Vedas reflects the intellectual heights of Aryan philosophy. One question may crop up in our mind that what are the sources of philosophy and education in Vedic India? Vedic India, before discussing about the Vedic India, you must have knowledge about the Vedic literature. Vedic literature is the most important source of information of the life and philosophy of the Vedic period. Vedic literature comprising Shruti and Smriti. Shruti and Smriti literature is a storehouse of knowledge which has been a great source of information, knowledge, and inspiration to Indians for thousands of years. It has indicated the right path to material as well as spiritual advancement. The Shruti literature is that part of the Vedic literature which, according to the Hindu belief, was revealed by the god and then passed on orally from generation to generation. On the other hand, Smriti literature was composed by Rishi on the basis of their memory. Four Vedas such as Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sham Veda, and Athar Veda. Rig Veda is the most ancient of all the holy scriptures of the world, while the Yajur Veda deals with the procedure of sacrifice. Sam Veda, the history of Indian music. Athar Veda deals with medical sciences. Thus, we may define Vedas as to feel for others, to feel the glories of Almighty, to know the God and the world of matter. On the other hand, Vedangas, which is the short help books to understand correctly the words contained in the Vedas. There are six Vedangas: Siksha, that is science of phonetics or orthography; Chandas, that is meter; Vyakaran, that is grammar; Nirukta, that is etymology; Jyotish, that is astronomy; Kalpa, or rituals. Four Upavedas: Ayurveda, that is medical science, medicines; Dhanurveda, military science; Gandharveda, music; Silpaveda, arts and culture. Thus, we may say that the education system in ancient India, the Vedic period of India, the Vedic education of India depends upon the desire to know. It deals with the philosophy of life on the basis of Vedas. As a whole, we can say that Veda or Vedic period is the period of knowledge and science, is the period of ideals and values of a very high order, is the period of knowledge and wisdom. Indeed, the Veda is derived from four words: vid satyayam, vridullabhe, vid vicharane, vid jane. What is vid satyayam? Vid satyayam means the satisfaction of the prime material and physical needs of human life, or the development of the human personality. Vridullabhe, in the universe which enables the individual to meet his temporal life with the supreme energy of benevolent existence. Vid vicharane, it is the intellectual and mental development of the individual. Vid jane, the human being or the knowledge of human being depends upon the inherent supreme perfection and of his redemption. According to Dr. Swami Dayanand, the Vedas have been in existence from times immemorial. It is not possible to give any definite date for the beginning of the Vedic literature. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan says that the Vedic period is obscure. Bal Gangadhar Tilak also puts 4000 BC as the date. So there is no any exact or definite age of the Vedas. The Upanishads, the word Upanishad means seating devotedly. It brings to mind the picture of an earnest disciple or learner learning from his spiritual guru or teacher. The importance of Upanishads has been described by an educationist. In the whole world, there is no study so beneficial and elevating as that of this Upanishad. The Upanishads were written by various rishis from time to time. The Upanishads deal with the relation of matter, soul, and God. Upanishad elaborate the doctrine of karma, nature of salvation, and the methods of attainments of salvation. So, Vedic period is the study of Vedic literature on the basis of Shruti and Smriti. Shruti is that literature which was not produced by any living being, while the Smriti is composed by rishis. Vedic literature depends upon four Vedas, six Vedangas, four Upavedas, 108 Upanishads, six systems of philosophy, Bhagavad Gita, three Smritis. Four Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Atharved. The word Vedas derived from Vid, or four words: Vid Satyayam, Vridullabhe, Vidjane. Vid Vicharane. Six Vedangas: Siksha, Chandra, Vyakaran, Nirukta, Jyotish, Kalpa. And Upavedas: Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharvveda, Shilpaveda. And the last six system of philosophy, to understand the source of philosophy and education in Vedic period: Nyaya system of philosophy, Sankhya system of philosophy, the Yoga system of philosophy, Purva Mimamsa system of philosophy, Vedanta system of philosophy, Vaishakya system of philosophy. Nyaya system of philosophy by Rishi Gautam, dealing with knowledge. It is the science of sciences. According to it, knowledge can be acquired through four methods: pratyaksha, intuition; anumana, inference; upama, comparison; and sabda, verbal testimony. Sankhya system of philosophy by Rishi Kapil, dealing with matter. Vaishakya system of philosophy by Rishi Kannad, dealing with the theory of atoms. The Yoga system of philosophy by Patanjali Rishi, relating to the self-control through yoga. Purva Mimamsa system of philosophy by Rishi Jaimini, dealing with the scheme of right living through appropriate action. Vedanta system of philosophy by Rishi Vasishtha, the concept of supreme being. So it is sufficient for source of philosophy and education in Vedic period. Thank you very much.